the Ooni Koda 12 oven. Form meets function meets amazing pizzas in just minutes with the Ooni Koda 12 oven. Right out of the box, all you must do for this beauty is flip open the foldable legs, insert the stone baking board, and turn the dial. And the connected gas combines with the insulated steel shell to maximize heat retention for the absolute perfect pie every time. This outdoor oven reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit for that brick oven flavor that pizza lovers love. No assembly or mess, and pizzas up to 13 inches are coming right up. And if this culinary work of art making pizza pies wasn't enough, it's also an amazing oven to roast meat, fish, and vegetables wherever you may be. How's that for versatility? The built-in gas ignition means your cooking adventure is ready in no time, and the adjustable heat control puts you in command of your outdoor kitchen. Outdoor ovens do not get more advanced or more beautiful than the Ooni Koda 12 oven, and its portable design lets you enjoy it anywhere you happen to be. The BOMKI Grilling Camping Cooking Set. This 13-piece set keeps you ready to get going wherever your travels take you with everything you need for grilling and cooking outdoors. The BOMKI Grilling Camping Cooking Set comes complete with cutting board, grilling gloves, microfiber cloth, lockable tongs, chef and paring knives, versatile scissors, cooking fork, grilling spatula, serving spoon, wine bottle opener, and salt and pepper shakers. There's no more trying to gather everything together before heading outdoors. With a crossbody travel bag, this set is good to go in seconds. For a day in the park, barbecue, hiking, or any kind of camping, now you can take all your cooking accessories with you. And each piece of the BOMKI Grilling Camping Cooking Set is high quality and durable, with stainless steel utensils that are corrosion resistant, BPA free, and dishwasher safe. There's even enough space and compartments in the custom bag to add your own favorite items and customize the kit to your liking. The GCI Outdoor Portable Folding Cook Station. This top-rated camp station brings your kitchen outside with enough table and storage room for a camping stove or grill, plus all your cookware and utensils. The GCI Outdoor Portable Folding Cook Station folds thin to make it super easy to transport, and the one-piece powder-coated steel frame sets up quickly, so you'll have the aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables ready in a flash. Setting it up or breaking it down is lightning fast, since it's all already connected, and you'll appreciate extra features, including beverage holders and hooks for bags or utensils. This amazing accessory is perfect for picnics, camping, tailgating, or backyard barbecues, and strong enough to support up to 300 pounds. The GCI Outdoor Portable Folding Cook Station is so handy and versatile, it's amazing no one thought of this unique design before now. For a cook station that's easy to store and transport, this one fits the bill perfectly. The Eureka Ignite Plus Camping Stove. There's no hungry quite like camping hungry, and this perfect little stove makes bigger and better camping cookouts a cinch. The Eureka Ignite Plus Camping Stove is a larger edition for those wanting to cook more and use bigger cookware for better meals. It features two 10,000 BTU burners and accommodates two 12-inch pots for cooking up to 90 minutes with propane fuel. Cleaning is super easy with a stainless steel drip tray that's both rust-free and easy to remove and sanitize. Getting started is simple with the push-button igniter, and keeping your flame going is easy with the fold-out windscreens. No more frustration with having your cooking flame just right either, since you have a high-precision flame adjuster with two-turn simmer controls. The Eureka Ignite Plus Camping Stove even features adjustable height non-skid rubber feet to balance your pots and pans while cooking, so everything heats evenly and consistently. Igloo 52-quart BMX Cooler. Looking for a high-quality cooler with great performance that doesn't break the bank? The Igloo 52-quart BMX Cooler fits the bill perfectly with its heavy-duty molded construction and reinforced base for maximum strength and durability. How about ice retention tested to last up to 4 or even 5 days in 90-degree Fahrenheit temperatures and UV inhibitors to prevent sun damage? The Max Cold body features 20% thicker foam, while rubberized T-grip latches keep the lid secure and your contents cool. The threaded drain plug fits garden hoses and has a stainless steel tethered cap to prevent accidental leaks. And no more sliding around in your vehicle with the built-in tie-down loops to secure your cooler on the way to your adventures. The Igloo 52-quart BMX Cooler is perfect for the sensible outdoor enthusiast who wants high-tech quality and performance built to last without the heavy price tag that similar products add on.